My name is Kacha and I'm a furniture artist. I always wanted to be creative, but growing up I never had a chance. It wasn't until I hit my lowest point and it made me realize you have to go for what you want and do what you love. Painting is a therapy, my happy place. I love everything about it. And now that I've grown as an artist, I love to have professional tools for the job. That's why I partner up with Redesign with Prima. Together with them, I'm able to take my furniture to a whole new level. Now I want to create more and more. One day I will be so experienced, so refined. That day I will create my masterpiece. Until then, my journey continues.